So what's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? I am back again. I know it's been just like 2 days, but I got my premium box and I just did my base box for Boxycharm for this month and I just posted it. So if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it at the end of this video, but this is the premium box and I also do get a subscription for the base box. Weirdly enough, it didn't come together. I just got the shipping confirmation for that one, but this one showed up at my doorstep. The one that you first saw was the one from Boxycharm. This is the one that I paid for myself. And if we're speaking frank here, this usually premium is my favorite. If you guys want to check out Boxycharm though and you guys want to see more about it, find out, you know, what it's all about, I'm going to link all that information down below. But we're going to get into this because I know how much you guys love to keep these short and sweet. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to go ahead and get started. And if you are new, I hope you guys are going to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. This month's theme is Better Beauty. Here you have it. On the back, we get some nice little information about everything. I actually did have to use this the other day just to see what the product was because I was a little confused by one of the products. And if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, because in the last video I got asked what was on my lips and I completely forgot. So just in case we forget, I am wearing Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Dolce K with a little bit of, what is this? With a little bit of the Buxom pumpkin spice latte. I feel like a few of these Buxom, I have a lot of these, but some of them, they are very similar in tone. And I like the liquid lipsticks from Kylie Cosmetics. They actually have one of my favorite formulas, but right now I feel like I'm super dehydrated and my lips are looking a little wrinkly, so I add a little gloss on it. So first things first is by Juice Beauty. This is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. And this is actually supposed to clear and hydrate your skin at the same time. And it's supposed to also protect against acne, which I could totally use. I break out crazy quick if I wear a mask, and where I work, I have to wear a mask every day. So I hardly ever wear a mask, which is why I think my skin did so well last year. It looked great, but I will say that I did suffer a lot of dryness. Let me know down below if you guys suffered. I felt like my skin was super dehydrated, especially like right in the cheek area. That's where I got a lot of mine, and right in my chin. And then I ended up having to switch from cloth mask over to disposable mask because the cloth mask would like rub really bad on my nose and like scratch at it. So next up we have is by LYS Beauty, and I have already started testing out a lot of products from this line, and I have been so happy with their products. I actually really enjoyed their bronzer, and it's actually what I'm wearing on my skin today. This is the Secure Serum Gripping Serum Primer. No, wait. Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer, which has 5% niacinamide and AHA, minimizes the look of enlarged pores. What? Oh, look at this packaging. This packaging is so cool. It's in the shape of a triangle, you guys. Ooh, it is watery. Maybe I need to shake it. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Let's see. I really can't tell that big of a difference, but it's sticky. Funny enough, I already knew what this product was because it's sitting like this, and it is the original Bareminerals Mineral Veil. Let me tell you, right now, I'm actually wearing Bareminerals on my face. I actually have the Bareminerals powder on me. I don't know what shade I have on, but if you use Bareminerals, I'll link it down below. It is a little dark for me, but I make it work. I like to wear my Bareminerals powder itself, which I've done a whole video on how I apply it, but I also do like to use it on top to like set a foundation. But the Bareminerals Mineral Veil is like really good at setting your face if you're already wearing like a full coverage foundation, or I even like to use it to kind of like buff everything together. Like I'll just take a little bit of powder and kind of buff it all into my skin to kind of just make sure everything looks a little bit more blended. It is a great multi-use purpose powder. The other thing is that Bareminerals is definitely very nostalgic for me because it is one of the first brands that I used as a kid. My mom would take me into their like free pop-up store, and I used their eyeshadows. I used a lot of their eyeshadows, and now I've even dove into their foundation, their liquid foundation. One of my favorite foundations ever, you guys. I've talked about them so many times. I love their mascaras. I love their lip glosses. I love their highlights. There's so many great products in Bareminerals. If you have not gone into Bareminerals and like hung out in their section, do me a favor and just give them a shot. That's my little spiel on Bareminerals. Very excited to see that. I also do have the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette. Enhancer drops now in buildable talc-free pressed powder with the same illuminating glow. The Cover FX drops were like huge. And then I tried diving into it. I was not a fan of their like liquid drops. They were okay. My mom was obsessed. Like I remember when it came out and then I told my mom about it. I was like, you gotta give it a shot. And I swear, I remember vividly going to the store with her multiple times because she was going through it. So, like that's all she used. And I remember her vividly buying, you know, the same shade over and over and over again. Like she was a fan. She probably still is a huge fan. I think the last time I looked at her makeup collection, she had them in her set. Look at these, if my camera will focus. Oh, you guys. We gotta put this on the back of the hand. Melted into the skin if you push them right in. I will see how to use this. Maybe a little nose highlight action here really quickly. I always feel like the nose is the safest place to go. So we also do have this palette here by, I wanna say maybe it's called Aether Beauty. It's a really pretty presentation. And then here you have the palette. That is a bright pink. All right, so we got some super glittery ones. We've got some mattes. And we've got some metallics in here. That pink is very, very vibrant. And then the last thing I have is a lip liner. This is by Persona Cosmetics. I like this packaging. Oh my goodness, look at this lip liner. I already know I'm gonna use it. 90210. Looks a little bit brighter, a little more orange tone on camera than what it is, but it's not that bright. It's actually deeper. I believe that's everything that came in the box. Aether Beauty Desert Sunset Palette retails for $48. The Bareminerals Mineral Veil retails for $27. The Cover FX Palette retails for $42. LYS's Beauty Serum Primer retails for $20. Juice Beauty Mask retails for $36, and then Persona's lip liner retails for $14. I did not realize how inexpensive lip liners from Persona were. I don't know why I expected to think that maybe it would have been like $30 or so, but that's super inexpensive. So if I like that lip liner, I could definitely see myself picking up more. I love lip liners. Like I think I could just live off of lip liners and like a gloss on top of every lip liner ever. And then when I find like a lip liner that's affordable, I want them all. Like I want all. I don't remember what I picked for my choice. Not bad. That's bad. Anyways, haven't checked out the base box. I will go ahead and link it here for you guys. And that's it. I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video and tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.